is a Dollar Tree gnome haul. So I was surprised to see how many gnomes they have been coming out with this holiday season, because they have been gradually increasing them. I don't know if you remember last Christmas they had these cute gnomes. Everybody was looking for them. I personalized a few and gave them away. I did not see these this year, but they did have Santa Claus, and they had a reindeer and a snowman, I believe, that are similar to these, but they did not have the gnomes. But I thought these were adorable. Keep an eye out. You never know. They might come out with them again. And of course, they had this cute little door hanger. They have a lot of different ones like these. So these were hanging when you first walk in by all the holiday decor. And I'm going to let my son's girlfriend pick out whatever she wants. She can have to decorate her own home if she likes the gnomes. This was one of the towels they had. These went really, really quickly. I went back a few days later and they were all gone already. So this just came out, and they do have cases and cases. I'm impressed with how much stuff they have coming in, but I thought these were really cute. This would be really cute to put together a gift basket and add the little thing in here. So what I was going to do is I'm going to use some of the inkjet printable vinyl, and I was going to put some gnomes on here and then add different things in here and then match the mitt with that. I can do a video to show you what it's going to look like when it's done. So that's a gift for someone. They had these really cute little gnomes, and again, you know, sometimes it's strange where they put them, because I think there was 3. Let me see what I got here. I only have 2 here, but there was a green one as well, and I gave one to a friend of mine because she collects little gnomes and puts them around her house. You can also personalize these on the top. They had these. So these are also door hangers, but you can put them on different wreaths when you make a big wreath with a tulle and different ribbons and things like that. I thought these were really adorable. And now everything is going up to $1.25. I went the other day. They just started it, I think she said on Friday. So I was able to get this stuff right before that happened. This is an ornament. So these are pretty simple to make, but for the dollar, I guess, you know, the supplies we buy sometimes. I thought he was kind of cute, but what you could do is you could take felt, you could glue this inside out, make the little arms, and of course you could make the beard with the hat yourself. And then they had this one as well with the little legs. So I have little gnomes all over the house. So when you wrap your Christmas presents, you can add this with a gift tag and they can have it and use it as a little ornament. Or these would, if you put them on a pick and you have maybe a floral arrangement, you can add these to it. So this was another item that I got. I got 2 of those because I think this year I'm going to use these on my Christmas gifts. And then this one here, I thought he was super duper cute. Look at, he's skiing. So this is another one. I mean, you could make this on your own. You could easily use popsicle sticks for the skis and shish kebab skewers for, you know, to make him look like he's skiing. So there are different things you can do, but this one matches this one, I believe. Right, well, they're in the same category. They were hanging in the same area. Then I got these cute stockings. I thought these were really adorable. And what you could do with these, if you wanted, you could take a Santa hat, and I could do a quick video to show you how to do this as well. What you could do is you could use some of that filler, and you can fill this up halfway, and then put the bow down there, and then cut off this bottom portion, and fill it with some of those, you know, something heavy like even Dollar Tree rocks. You could fill the rocks in here, and then you can actually have him standing, you know, sitting up instead of it being a stocking. So I thought that would be a cool idea as well. And I have 2 of these. So I'm going to hang these out for my son and his girlfriend this year because I have a little paw print for my Lulu. I'm still going to remember her this Christmas because every year she got a present. And then I thought these were really cute. I'm going to put these on my kitchen counter. But like I said, if my son's girlfriend wants to decorate and she wants some of these items, I'm more than happy to give them to her so she enjoys them. So aren't those cute? They're little ceramic gnomes. Then I got, so there were quite a bit. You can see all the gnome stuff I got. So this one is going to go up front in my little empty now flower planter for the season. And they have, you can also use that one on a wreath. These are also ones that you could use. I have 2 of these. So they had two different kinds. You can see this one has one with the darker color, and then they have these ones together. But these have the little picks, and I thought these would be adorable inside a floral display. So that would be a really, really cute idea. Or you can also put this on a package as well. You could stick them in your Christmas tree. There's all kinds of things to do with them. So yeah, they have a ton. Look at, I got a, do I have two more? No. Oh, look at, I did. I bought more. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know. So now that I have more than I realized I got, I didn't even realize I picked up two the other day and then two when I went last week. So I'm going to actually now, I think I'm going to fill one and give it to my son's girlfriend's niece, because that's where I send her gifts every year. And I have all her stuff, but I don't have a stocking. So maybe I'll put her name on here and I'll give her one too. So I always try to give everybody something. Then I got this real cute one. And I got this one, but I do believe I already have this one. Yes. See, I bought doubles of some things. So this will be cute for windows. If you have two different windows and you want to put them side by side with your wreath in the middle. So that's probably what I was thinking. And then last but not least, oh, these are the last ones. These, I must have gotten these for some reason that I got doubles. So now I can give them to my son's girlfriend and I still have a set for myself. So sometimes I know my girlfriend has gnomes or she likes them and she'll say, hey, did you pick one up? So I have them now. But coming the new year, I plan on doing a big clean out and I'm going to be doing mystery box giveaways. I want to give away a lot of the Dollar Tree hauls because what am I going to do with all of this stuff? So I'd rather try to do some different things and make some of you happy because I know that you can't get some of these items. So I wanted to share with you all the things that Dollar Tree has with the gnomes and go check them out quickly, and then I'll do a quick video and show you my idea with the gnome here and the little, because I want to get into the vinyl because there are so many great craft Dollar Tree channels that I would like to show you all how we can change things up a bit and spruce things up. And I am in love with printable HTV and printable vinyl because you can make stickers, you can make car stickers, you can do all kinds of fun things, and that's on my list from to showing you how to do all that because we could do this for Mother's Day, we could do this for a birthday. It doesn't necessarily have to be Christmas. We bake all year long. So this was another thing, and just to show you what I got inside here, I was going to make a little towel because the printable vinyl, you could put it on anything. So I wanted it to match the towel, the pot warm, you know, the pot holder, and then this as well. So these three are going to match. So on this one, I'm going to use inkjet printable vinyl, and on this one, I'm going to use inkjet printable HTV. So there's two different kinds, and I'll share with you guys how to do that. And then I added the stirrers that you can use here for different batters and things like that. So this is something else that we'll be working on, and look for that video. And I also have another video that I'm working on where we're going to make a door hanging gnome that I thought was cute and easy to make. So until I see you on the next one, have a great day. Bye now.